So today we're talking about using a deferred prosecution to get a DUI case dismissed. If you've been arrested for a second or even third DUI, you're probably feeling a little overwhelmed. You're wondering, what's this going to mean for my future? What would I do if I had to go to jail? What would it mean for my job, and who would take care of my kids? A deferred prosecution is one way to make sure you don't go to jail. It's a way to take care of a legal problem and a medical problem at the same time. So in other words, in exchange for doing 2 years of counseling for either substance abuse or some mental health related issue, the court will actually dismiss the case after you complete the counseling and 5 years of probation. Sounds great, right? Well, it can be, but it's not the easy way out. The counseling programs are really time intensive. You would have to see a probation officer regularly, and the court would impose a number of other strict conditions that you'd have to comply with. Here's the most important thing. You have to commit to being sober for 5 years. Now, if you do everything you're supposed to do, at the end of the 5-year period, your case gets dismissed. So what's the catch? Well, if you don't hold up your end of the bargain, the court can revoke the deferred prosecution and find you guilty based only on reading the police report. So the question is a deferred prosecution right for you? Well, it is a great way of taking care of a legal problem and a medical problem at the same time, but it's a once-in-a-lifetime thing. You need a DUI expert to help you figure out if the demands of the program are worth giving up your right to a jury trial. We've helped hundreds of people get their DUI cases dismissed or reduced. So if you or someone you care about is facing a DUI charge, give us a call because we can help you too.